Atlantic City approach, Bonanza 30 Kilo Delta, would you? Level 6000.
November 4 Delta Sierra, contact over approach 132.42, 3242.
3242, 4 Delta Sierra, good day.
November 30 Kilo Delta, Lexi approach, Lexi altimeter 3038.
3038, 30 Kilo Delta.
November 4 Tango Sierra, contact Tower 120.3. Cisco 6563, turn right heading at 310.
Right to 310, Coast Guard 6563.
Atlantic City, Spirit Wings 303, passing 7,600 for 6,000. We're on a 060 heading.
Spirit Wings 303, Lexi approach, Lexi altimeter 3037. The weather's just how you left it, and the wind 190 at 18, gusting 24.
303, copy. We're just going to maintain this heading, and if you can just keep us coming lower, we're running some checklists up here, and we'll let you know we can come in for the visual for 22.
Coast Guard 6563, 2 miles from Maven, turn right to 100, maintain 2000, so establish on the localizer, clear copter ILS from 1 to approach.
Right to 100, and clear for copter ILS 13 approach.
And Spirit Wings 303, we worked out with opening runway 13 for you, so you can expect that.
Okay, we'll plan on 13, thank you, sir. 303.
And Spirit Wings 303, just going to maintain 3000.
Maintain 3,000, Spirit Wings 303.
Howdy, Atlantic City, Jet 601, we're at 8,000, we have Quebec and the field.
Exit at 601, Lexi approach, Lexi altimeter 3037.
37 now.
Exit at 601, just going to maintain 7000.
Non-stop 7,000, Jet 601.
Not going to do Atlantic City 6924, Whiskey Mike.
Last calling approach, you came in broken and readable, say again.
Yes, sir, 924, Whiskey Mike.
Was that 934 Whiskey Mike?
924, Whiskey Mike. We're just off of Wildwood, about 10 miles now to the north, transitioning direct to Caldwell. Appreciate flight following.
November 924 Whiskey Mike, Lexi approach. Squawk. Stand by. Number 924 Whiskey Mike, squawk is 0136.
Zero 0136 for Whiskey Mike.
Coast Guard 6563, contact tower 120.3.
Mr. Tower, thanks for the approach today.
Anytime. Or 924 Whiskey Mike, radar contact 3 miles north of the Sea Isle via well 5,500, Lexi altimeter 3037, proceed on course.
4 Whiskey Mike, next sir.
Building 303, turn left heading 3680, that's a vector for the checklist, and runway 13.
Left turn heading 360, and that should work out fine, sir. 303, we'll advise when we're ready to accept the approach.
No problem, I'll just keep you going, and I'll get you a nice long final.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I'll get you at 601, it's going to maintain 4,000.
Yes, sir, 4,000, Jet 601.
And Spirit 303, my supervisor wants to know if you've had any damage from the bird strike or if you need any assistance on the ground.
We do have damage to the outboard right leading edge slat, and we do not anticipate requiring any assistance. No, we'll just be a normal landing, normal taxi back to the gate. We're just running checklists and communicating with the company right now.
Okay, sounds good. You still expect to be able to flash the lights on the ground just in case you need them.
303, understand.
November 201 Papa Zulu, contact Philadelphia, approach 124.35.
3435, 201 Papa Zulu, thank you.
Exit jet 601, you still got the airport type?
Yes, sir.
Clear visual approach, runway 22.
Visual 22, that's just 601.
November 4333 Alpha, contact McGuire, approach 126.47.
6.47, that's just 300.
Approach Spirit 303, we can accept our base turn at this time.
Sterling 303, turn right to 040.
Right turn 040, Spirit Wings 303.
And Sterling 303, there's traffic once you turn on that heading at 11 o'clock, 7 miles southbound, 2000.
Spirit 303, searching.
Exit jet 601, contact her 120.3.
601, thank you. Spirit 303 has a field site.
Sterling 303, roger, for now just maintain 3000 for that traffic, but you can proceed for the visual runway 13.
Maintain 3000, proceed for the visual 13, Spirit 303.
November 924, Whiskey Mike, reset the transponders, clock 5666.
5666, 7 Whiskey Mike. 4 Whiskey Mike.
Sterling 303, that traffic is just passing behind and to the left now, no factory, clear visual approach, runway 13.
Cleared visual 13, Spirit Wings 303.
November 5928 Echo, contact New York Center 128.3.
So 128.3 for 592 at Echo, good day.
Approach Rogue 99 is off of Cape May, level
Road 99, Alexia departure, ident, climb and maintain at 3,000. November 4, Whiskey Mike, for that beacon change, the first number is 5666.
Sorry about that.
303, contact guitar 120.3.
20.3, 303. Thanks for the help today.
Time. Rogue 99er, Atlantic City departure, ident, climb and maintain at 3,000.
Atlantic City radio is still the same for 4 Whiskey Mike.
And last calling, say again.
Yes, the radio is still the same for 4 Whiskey Mike.
Number 4 Whiskey Mike, I'm getting a lot of static. Can you say that one more time, just a little bit slower?
Yeah, just to try to see if the radio improved at all.
I got you now. It's pretty staticky though.
Okay, we're on our way for help.
Rogue 99er, Atlantic City approach, if you can hear this transmission in ident.
Atlantic City approach, Grumman 45220 with you, 3,500.
Grumman 45220, Atlantic City approach, Atlantic City altimeter 3037.
3037 for 22 Zulu.
November 30 Kilo Delta, Atlantic City, or contact McGuire approach 126.47.
126.47, McGuire. Thanks for the help, 30 Kilo Delta.
Rogue 99er, Atlantic City approach, out of here.
Atlantic City approach, Skylane 2 Julie Kilo, 5,000.
Skyline 2, Julie Kilo, Atlantic City approach, Atlantic City altimeter 3037.
And 37, thank you. Rogue 99er level 2000.
Rogue 99er, Atlantic City approach, how do you hear? Rogue 99er, Atlantic City approach, how do you hear?
Rogue 99er,
Rogue 99er, I got you now. Ident for me, climb to maintain at 3,000. Rogue 99er, sounds good. Radar contact 2 miles northeast of the Sea Aviawar, leaving 2000, Alexia altimeter 3036. And cleared direct Cressy, Charlie, Romeo, Echo, Sierra, India, direct Coil, Charlie, Yankee, November, direct destination.
direct Cressy, direct Coil, direct destination, and we're flying the, looks like the 027 radial off of Sea Isle to Cressy, we're slant uniform.
Rogue 99er, Roger, and so you just want to fly that present heading to join Victor 1, that Coil, that'll work just fine as well.
Flying present heading, join Victor 1.
November 4 Whiskey Mike, contact McGuire approach 126.47.
2647, 4 Whiskey Mike, thanks for everything.